In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the starter motor on this Ram 1500. This happens to be in the 3.6 liter V6 engine. Let's get into it. Disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. Use a 10mm socket. Loosen up the nut. And slide it off and out of the way. Disconnect this connector right here. There's a little lock tab. Just use a pick, just slide it back. Once that's back, then you can push down on the tab, disconnect the connector. Using a 13mm wrench, we're going to take the nut off for the battery positive cable. Take that nut off and grab the cable. Try to slide that off the stud. Using a 15mm socket, take these two bolts out. And grab the starter. Might need a pry bar. Just try to pry it out. There we go. And it slides right out. Take the new starter. Slide it up the way it came out. Slide that in place. Move the wires out of your way. That should line up. There is a dowel pin. You want to line that up with the hole. That's good. And get the bolts started. You want to torque these bolts to 40 foot-pounds. Now take the positive lead, slide that over the stud. Take the nut, get the nut started. And tighten that down. If you can get a torque wrench in there, you want to torque that to 8 foot-pounds. And take the plug, line that up. Clip it down in place, and then push down on the lock. I'll take the negative terminal, connect to the battery. I'll tighten this down. Snug that down, give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.